the Haiboxing desert truck here, brand new for 2020, just in time for Christmas, and we're going to play with it on the beach a little bit. Right now it is dialed down to 40% throttle response, so you are not going to be seeing full speed until I turn it up after. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to turn this up to 100% and have some fun.